morning?
It is the last day of our Mardi Gras back-to-back cruise. This is the second leg of the back-to-back. It is 7:36, Friday the 17th of September. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome if you are new. Today we are
In Nassau.
in Nassau. Yes, we are going to
Blue Lagoon.
Blue Lagoon, yes, with Dave and Brandy of Dave and Brandy's Excursions. We're very excited. I'm hoping I can paddleboard. We are doing the Carnival Family Beach Excursion. So, yeah, so join us. We will see you downstairs. We're going to go to Grand Central to wait to be disembarked into Nassau and spend the day in port. So we'll see you in just a second. Oh, well, you know what? Let me insert here a little bit of this morning's sunrise coming into port. It was a stunning morning. So I'll show you that while we head downstairs. There's our friends Dave and Brandy.
Welcome to Texas.
Oh, no, thank you.
You guys will be home if you're in Texas.
That's right. Here we go. Good morning, Nassau. Woo! So we have very steep, but you can get off. Good morning. No, thank you. All right, so we're gonna come down here. I think we're gonna meet right in this area, or we may have to walk in and meet over there. We'll see. We'll see when we get down here. But there's lots of people stacked up over here, so I have a feeling we're meeting over here. A lot of people are going to Blue Lagoon Island today. Yeah, there's several different excursions for Blue Lagoon Island.
Good morning, sir. Hope you have a great day. Good morning, beautiful.
Good morning.
Hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Watch your step in, madam.
Thank you. Good morning. This is fantastic.
So far, is everyone ready to have some fun today? Awesome.
We're here. Look at that water. Look at that. I said this morning there's nothing like the water in the Bahamas. It is crystal clear and beautiful. The ride over was fantastic, absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be a great day today. I am very excited. Look at that. Oh, the dolphin. Oh, the dolphin. That was so cool. Oh my gosh.
We did that last time we were here.
Regular beach day straight ahead.
He said it would be about a 5-minute walk, but it looks to be paved so far. There's our bathroom. We are on Blue Lagoon Island, Nassau, Bahamas. Look at this. Oh, absolutely stunning. How's the water, mister?
Fantastic. Ton of fish.
Really? Oh, ooh, it's cold.
You feel a little chilly when you first get in it.
What do you think?
Pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I would definitely come back here.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous.
It's beautiful, crystal clear water. The sun was shining super bright about like 5 minutes ago, and now it's tucked behind some thunderclouds. So that needs to pass, and the sun needs to come back out again. Because I'm starting to get cold, whereas I wasn't cold 15 minutes ago.
Here comes the sun.
Da, na, 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 na. Here comes the sun.
Yes, we need.
It's all right. There
Yes, we definitely need the sun to come back out.
Mm-hmm. This is gorgeous.
I think that's the end.
Oh, wow. So Dave and Brandy have been to this beach before, and they came and got us to show us. Look at that. There's Brandy. You see her? Oh my goodness. We're going to go see the fish. Do you see the ship coming in out there? I don't know what ship that is, either MSC or Royal. Wow. This is gorgeous. This water is just crystal clear. It's amazing. Before my phone dies, are you having a good day?
I'm having an amazing day.
Yeah, we came over to the little private area, and I'm telling you, the fish, there's so many little fish here.
There isn't a single person here besides Dave and Brandy with us.
Yeah, this is amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous over here. But Robert wants to do the water toys, so we'll be going over to do those.
Yep.
I need to charge my phone because I'm at 10%. But look, nobody here.
Nobody home. Except for the lifeguard.
Nobody's home, nobody's home, nobody's home.
There's the lifeguard.
Look how calm and still the water is. Oh, it's so beautiful.
We have all those rocks breaking it.
Yeah. It was absolutely amazing. That's some of the best snorkeling I feel, well, outside of one time in Mexico, that I just feel was the best snorkeling for me. I didn't have my face in the water. I could just sort of walk around. It was shallow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So you just come right through this cut through right here, and you're back on the main sidewalk, and that's how you get here. And you cross over, and you can get back to the beach where we were. There's the restaurant right there. So here you go, you can see. And then right there where that sign is, you'll take a left and you can get back to the beach where we were earlier. All right, it was $22.50 for the kayak for 30 minutes. I thought that might be a fun thing to do. Awesome.
All right, have a good time.
Thank you.
Just keep paddling, just keep paddling. Okay, we are in the little water park section, and unfortunately, like, a lot of the handles are ripped off, so it's almost impossible to get up there. So you can grab there, and then the next three are missing, so that could be an issue. There's your favorite paddleboard.
staff on this ship, and the entertainment has been fabulous. Oh my God. But we like this.
Dave and Brandy vlogged the food. As you guys know, I can't eat here, so I will send you to Dave and Brandy. I will link their vlog in the description box so that you can go and check out the food. Well, this was a lot of fun.
This was an amazing day. Lots of fun.
Needed more time here.
Yeah.
This part right here, this section, this is just beautiful. You could stay here all day and just look at the fish and float in the nice, cool but comfortable water. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we are about to jump back on the boat, head back to the ship. Maybe, oh, look at the dolphins. Last minute little dolphin footage. Oh, side swim. Hi, babies.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way. And so every night I dream it, I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you
All right, back in port. We sat on the boat quite some time. I was a little uncomfortable, but we sat at the excursion waiting to leave till everybody got on the boat because we were the last one out. And then we sat here for quite some time waiting for the other boats to disembark. So it was kind of a long wait. I think we were on the boat over an hour. That's okay, we're back here now to our beautiful ship. We have Allure of the season with us. On the other side, which we'll see from our balcony, is Davina. Back in the room. We've actually been back in the room for about 45 minutes. I panicked, thought I lost my phone. Yeah, had a shower, had to get out of the wet, sandy clothes. And here is our last little guy of the cruise. Thankfully, it's not the heart. I'm very glad that it's a cute little froggy guy. What a hectic afternoon. We have packed, for the most part, like 99% packed, but you know, you still need that stuff in the morning, and all the stuff we wore into port today is on the balcony drying. We are now rushing down, it's 4 o'clock, to the Platinum Party, which is just 2 decks down. So we're going there. And then, can you guess where we're going for dinner tonight? Cucina! Now, I'm gonna tell them when I get there that I don't want dessert, because I definitely want bananas Foster tonight before we disembark. There we go. New Age Trio.
Thank you so much, folks. And of course, they'll be back with us later on this afternoon as well. But a very big hello and welcome. Hello. It is nice to have you filled with this lovely room right now. Can I let you know a little secret? If you weren't here at the Love and Marriage show yesterday, let me tell you something. This room right now is nearly the same capacity of how many guests we had on the original Mardi Gras. Is that not crazy? That is unbelievable. And I just want to say, as we wrap up today, I want to say one big important thing if you didn't know, and I'm pretty sure you do know. Our lovely team members, over 1,700 of us from all around the world, over 50 different nationalities. It has been a tough 16, 17 months for every one of them. You know, they've sat there waiting every day, knowing that they're going to be in employment, you know, to support their families, their houses, their living. You know, some of them, you know, really struggle. But I can't stress enough how happy they are to have you back in their lives. It really is a massive thing, folks. It really is. And to finally be back out at sea. So of course, adjusting to the changes, but the biggest thing is this. We're cruising, we're drinking, we're eating, we're having good times, and of course, we are back. Guys, have a wonderful day. Please give it up for the New Age Trio.
Walking down this hallway too many more times. Can't even tell you how many times we've walked down this hallway since Embarkation Day. There's Shebang, which we enjoyed last week. Ooh, something smells minty.
Are we YouTubers?
Yes.
Oh, can I do a video?
Sure, hold on. There you go.
Bam!
Hello. Glad we actually walked past the photo studio. I'd forgotten we purchased a picture at the beginning of this cruise and I just haven't picked it up. So there it is, yeah. So I'll pop it up on the screen here. I loved it. It was a great picture of Rob and I. So, you know, at dinner, yes, at Kachina, our favorite restaurant. So, or my favorite. I don't know if it's your favorite.
It's up there.
Yeah, it's up there. We are at table 910 again. Look at that.
This is the 910. Perfect.
There we go. Thank you. All right, so you have the menu and then you have the wine list right here. And I'll do a little quick screen record so you can see that on the left hand or right hand side of your screen. And that way you can see, but when you get to your tables, you don't have to ask for a menu. You just come and scan it, and there you go. You probably know that by now. I've probably told you that like 14 times this 14-day cruise. All right, so it's the best bread I've had all week. Look at this. It looks really good. I mean, you might even mistake that for white bread. Look at that. Might. Yes. It looks really good. This epic view tonight. Look at that. Oh. I still would rather have that.
Good.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza, buy it some more. Okay, enough kidding aside. Deliciousness. Dinner. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dave can't even be bothered to wear his mask. He keeps pulling it down, breaking the rules. Come on now. You guys, that mask has gotten the most, that has been the mask of the cruise. I'm telling you, it's been great.
What would you do if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song. I will try not to sing out of key.
Making the rounds tonight. We're heading up to Limelight Lounge, which is on deck 7 in the Alchemy Bar, right behind it. And we're gonna watch Percy Cruise 2 for comedy. Then run back downstairs to the grand stage or center stage, I'll get it right eventually, for, what's the show at 8:30? Something about nations of the world, or...
It's about the crew.
Yeah, about the crew and all the different nationalities that work on the ship. So we're off to do that after this. And then Dave and Brandy are going to join us for comedy. Logception back there. We've got our free drink. So I think I'll probably end up getting something like, I don't know, something new and different for me. A coffee.
Welcome into the Limelight Lounge. If you don't already know who I am by now, my name is Amber. I come to you all the way from the great exotic land of Delaware. Yes. Now I am your PG comedy host here on board, and we do hire professionals here on board. Speaking of professionals, he's worked with Chris Rock and Jamie Foxx. He's been on BET's Comic View, so I need you to show some love for Percy Cruz.
Show you love for Percy Cruz. Disease coming your way, got jokes for you. Ladies, show you love for Percy Cruz. Disease coming your way, got jokes for you. Fellas. What's up, baby? How y'all doing, y'all?
You enjoyed the center stage bands on the
Center
ship?
stage bands have been awesome. There's been just a lot of really good music. Guys Pig and Anchor had some really good music. The jazz band and Brass Magnolia was good. The guitar solos was very good.
Every live music venue, they have been top notch both weeks, and they're different this week than they were last week.
Yeah.
So
I don't know if it was just changeover week or if they're rotating more frequently.
Yeah, but we've enjoyed. Hang on, look, there they are. There they go. See the last guy, the tall guy? You couldn't see him, but he can really sing too. He's very, very good. Very good at the guitar too. But yes, we've really, really enjoyed the music on the ship the last couple of weeks. And we don't normally really enjoy it as much. We did on the Vista.
Yeah.
There was a band on the Vista we really enjoyed, but this is really, all the live music is pretty new. The quantity of live music on the ship. So there's like different bands for the different areas of the ship. Venues, yeah. And they're all outstanding. Outstanding.
How's everybody doing? You feeling good? Who's looking forward to going home tomorrow? Who wants to stay for another cruise free of charge? You've got till tonight to find Lifeboat 7. That's what you gotta do. We'll feed you in Lucky Charms for the whole cruise. That's all we got. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, welcome along tonight. It's a wonderful evening. It is, of course, The World Works Here. Tonight, it is our Festival of Nations. We celebrate all the countries around the world with a very special event. This is a one-time offer only, and you cannot get this on any other Carnival ship in the entire fleet. It is only here on Mardi Gras. Now, from many different countries, over 50 different nationalities on this ship. But I'm here tonight. They're going to be holding flags from many countries around the world, and it doesn't matter what country the flag they hold, because here at Carnival, we're one family, one nation, one love.
There she is for one last hurrah. Delicious, amazing Bananas Foster from Emerald's Bistro. Excuse me while I dig in. Tonight I added a little cappuccino to end the cruise with a delicious cup of coffee. It is absolutely delicious. Alright, well here's the pool deck tonight. Pretty empty. Get ready for the new cruise tomorrow. Pool's closed. We're just coming down here to say bye to friends if they're here, but you don't see them. Oh, I'm gonna miss this ship. I can't believe it's already been 14 days since I ran across this deck and gave my friend Brandy a big hug. I practically tackled her. I was so excited to finally see her. Bolt up there, lit up at night. Oh my goodness, you guys. Can't believe it's over already. We're gonna miss the ship. But that's okay. We'll be back. Good morning.
Good morning. How are y'all?
It is 7:45, September the 18th, Saturday. We are back in Port Canaveral.
Getting off the Mardi Gras.
Yeah, I can't believe the 14 days has flown by.
So fast.
Yeah.
Fastest 14 days ever.
Yeah, it'll be almost as fast or as fast as the 14 days we're about to have on the horizon. All right, you guys, we don't have to be out of the cabin until 8:30, and we are taking a shuttle bus through Carnival from the terminal to the airport.
All right, folks, we are moving along now. Yes, we are.
We're going pretty soon.
Yep.
So we were going to go downstairs and get coffee and a drink, but that's not going to happen now because he's going to call us in the next 10 minutes. So, and like I said, we have the airport transfer downstairs from Carnival. And I don't remember how much that was, but I will put it up on the screen here for you. And
it was like $35 or $37
yeah,
per person.
Right. We purchased it when we got on the ship. So you can purchase it pre-cruise, but we just decided because we weren't 100% if we were going to do that or not. So that's what we're doing. Our flight is not until 4 o'clock. So it's going to be a long day at the, what airport?
Orlando Airport.
Orlando Airport. Yeah. See you around. All right, here we go. Whoops. Luggage is heavy on the carpet. Heading off the ship. They just called luggage tag 4, which is what we are. And we're gonna go pick up our luggage and jump on the shuttle bus to the airport.
Safe travels, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye bye for now, ciao ciao. I'll be the schnitzel.
All right, folks, we are ready for some. Head to the gangway on deck 6 at this time. Folks, remember, you have to be out of your room by 8:30 a.m. this morning. Once again, 8:30 a.m. You have to be out of your cabin.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Whew.
On the shuttle bus.
On the shuttle bus, we couldn't find our luggage, so 3 of our bags were in one spot, and our 4th bag was like in zone 3
instead of 4.
Yeah, we were zone 4.
Fun.
Yeah, and it took 2 agents and us looking everywhere for it, and we finally found it. Oh my gosh, I was convinced somebody had taken it by accident, of course, you know, grabbed the wrong bag.
But we got it.
We did get it, and
it's all good.
Yes, so Favor does not handle things going wrong well. We've learned this.
Yes, we have.
Yes, I don't handle stress very well when I'm stressed. All right, so we are headed to the airport, and the bus. Excuse you. We are on bus 102. We'll see you on the way or there.
Yep.
All right, we're at the airport. Another hunt for our luggage off the bus. There we are. All right, we're gonna figure out where we need to go, and we will be right back with you. See that chaos? This is why we have flights at 4. All right, so our flight is at 4 o'clock, and it is 10:15. They will not allow us to check our luggage until noon. So we're gonna kind of hang out in the little food court in the shops area, look for some coffee. Nothing's really open yet until about noon, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock-ish. So we've got some time to kill. So thank you so much for spending the last, well, if you spent 7 to 14 days with us on our back-to-back cruise on the Carnival Mardi Gras.
It was an amazing time.
It really was, and it went way too fast. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe before you go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And what's next, Robert?
Flying home, and then in 3 weeks, the Carnival Horizon for a back-to-back. We get to go to Aruba, Curacao, Amber Cove, and La Romana.
One of those.
And then the other cruise is Half Moon Cay. Oh, perfect. Bimini, haven't not been there, and back to Nassau.
Yes, and we're swimming with sharks in Bimini. Reef sharks this time. Stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, that's where you find me. Tanned red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Somewhere between the sun and the